2009 or 2010, something like that. I had it here and I drove it around shows and that for about a year, and then I put 2011, I put it into the garage, decided to restore it, and that was 2011, so in April 2011, and it's been in there until last week. What, 12 years, 11 years is it?
So you've beaten Dr. Daly's record then. Your original TO was 10 years. That's something like that.
And, I didn't want to teach it. But between hopping and trotting, I did. But yeah, it was. So basically that I made. The brace. I stripped out the car, and I had the braces on the wheels with bars across it, welded here and there and everywhere, and a picture somewhere. And I made a rollover yoke, and I could turn her upside down. And two grandchildren were here. What would they be? About 6.
They're married with kids now.
One of them is nearly.
The other one's divorced.
And they were 6 and 7, thereabout. And they kept saying to me, I was upside down on the rollover, and they kept saying, that's not a car, that's not a car. But anyway, so that's more or less 11 years work and coursing, cups of tea.
Many fingers left.
What?
To lose many fingers.
You do another car?
No, I have a few lumps, all right. But yeah, and as I say, it's you get. I just saying there that you get a bracket with 4 bolts and you put it on, and it takes you a week to do it. The bolts don't line up. There's something wrong with the nuts, the captive nuts, and it takes you a week to do it. And loads and loads of stuff like that. Takes the time. And that, more or less, is where we got today. It's not finished.
Did you do much engine work on it?
Didn't do any engine work, or gearbox. And I bought it, and there was 57,000 miles on it, and there was a book of MOT from England.
Right.
I would say it's genuine,
Yeah.
because the chrome, it's the original chrome that's on the car. So it was never out under a tree or anything like that. I don't think it was.
You didn't have to get the chrome re-chromes, did you?
No,
Oh, wow.
no, that's why I say I think it was in a garage for about 20 years. And needless to say, the owner died or the family sold it, but anyway, I ended up with it. But because of the state of the chrome, I would reckon it's genuine mileage on it. But, and it was on gas. I took the gas off. Foolishly. I left it on. And so anyway. Oh. Do the necessary.
Do the necessary. Jim, you have to start your uppers.
Joe, is the battery connected?
It is.
I bought them in Stoneway, and they appeared in the garage one day. I don't know where, but anyway, that's the effect that I put them on.
Yeah.
Whether it's good or bad, I don't know.
What year is it, Jim?
1972.
I have some things that go on over that.
Is there stuff going?
Yeah, it does.